Greetings, Earthlings! I am here today to talk about the October 2019 Boxycharm. Yeah, I did film the September Boxy Lux, and I never edited it or uploaded it, so who knows, maybe I will just cram both of these videos together. So first and foremost, what I like the most about this box is that it is all makeup. Am I shaking the table? I am shaking the table. Oopsie. Sorry about that. Alright, so first thing in here, we have this by Dose of Colors. This is Blushing Berries. It is an eyeshadow palette with 5 different eyeshadows. I'm pretty sure that I took a Boxycharm quiz where you could better personalize everything that you got, and I think that's why I ended up getting a lot of the stuff in here that I got, that it's pretty much all makeup. And I remember saying that I like berry toned eyeshadows, so I got this one. I was really excited when I got this. It's what I have on my eyes right now. It came with the brush. I don't know what I did with it. In the crease, I have this, which is Berry Chic. I've got a little bit of Roseberry mixed in there, and then primarily all over my lid, I have Berry Pop. This one is called Mixed Berries, and this one's called Blackberries. Let's go ahead and swatch all of them. They feel kind of creamy. The first time that I used them, I first used this last Saturday. I was going to do the video then, but I just never got around to it. I really liked it. I felt like it went on very well. I felt like it blended very well. And I really liked it. But then today, when I went back to do it again for this video, I had the hardest time. I felt like everything was going on really, really patchy, and I had to keep going in and getting more and more and more and more and more, because I felt like where I would first lay down the shadow, it would stay there and I couldn't get it to move, couldn't get it to blend, and it still doesn't look very good at all. I don't know if you can tell, but it's quite patchy. I tried to put a little bit of glitter on there to make it look better, but I was sad. I don't know if it's because I used a different brush. I used an Anastasia Beverly Hills brush, so it's not like it was like a cheap brush or anything, so I don't know. I actually don't know what I did with the insert, but when I find it, I will list the prices of all of this stuff down below. So also in here, what I'm wearing is this Mellow Tinted Brow Gel. This is in dark brown. What throws me off is that the bottle is completely black, so I'm assuming that they're all black. It has a pretty big wand. It looks a little bit more warm toned on camera than it does in real life, but yeah, I threw it on top of my brows. It's okay. I mean, I can always use brow mascaras, so that's all right. This we have by Hollywood and Vine. We have a Velvety Touch Smooth Kohl eyeliner. I did try this on my waterline, and it's just like super like pencil-y, if that makes sense. It's just a little too wooden pencil-y for me, but it is kind of smooth. Like, it goes on kind of creamy, but not super creamy. And I don't know, these kind of scare me because they kind of hurt a little bit. This isn't too bad though. But I'm also not big on eyeliner to begin with, so I kind of just did it like really close to the waterline. Not the waterline, the lash line. I don't have it on right now though, but I did use it the other day when I first tried all of this stuff. Also in here, we have by Iconic London, this is a lip gloss, a lip plumping gloss in Sex Kitten. I don't like this at all. I am not wearing it. At first I thought it was lipstick, and I really wished it would have been lipstick. It has pigment, but not enough pigment. I don't like dark lip glosses. I feel like they are risky business unless you have like a dark lip liner or a dark lipstick on underneath. And this wand, do you see that? Do you see this right here? This that's sticking out? That's not a piece of fluff. That's hard. It is a hard piece of plastic. Not only does it make it very uncomfortable to put on, it makes it really like streaky weird because it's like sticking out like that. Do you see that line right there? Yeah, that's not cool. I wasn't a big fan of this at all. Kind of smells like mouthwash. I guess I can try and put some on over my lipstick. And I regret it. Okay, but my least favorite thing here in the box, which I was like really excited for when I saw it, I didn't have like any idea of what was going to be in this box. So when I opened the box inside, I thought it was really cool. This is the Iconic London Prep Set in Glow Water Mist. The day that I did my makeup, I wasn't paying that much attention. I sprayed so much of this all over my face. First of all, it smells good, but it smells like perfume, like actual highly concentrated perfume. It doesn't smell like regular setting sprays. Like, this smells like a perfume. It is so strong. And I'm like, okay, whatever. I mean, I am a little bit worried that it might irritate my skin, but, you know, whatever. You know what? You know, just fine. Oh, it's going to be glowy. It's going to be so cool. And I had, like, already finished my makeup. I was doing my makeup in a little compact, you know, and there really wasn't a lot of light. I was doing it in my living room. I was just in a hurry. Go into the bathroom, turn the light on, look in the mirror. My face is covered in glitter. Globs of glitter. Chunks of glitter. It was all in my hair, all over my clothes. It was like in my nose, on my eyelashes, my mascara, everything. It was so bad. Let me see if I can show you just how glittery this is. Let's try to get this light on here better. Like, this is a highlighter. Do you see that? And I rubbed it in too, but when you first spray it, it's just globs of glitter. It is the most ridiculous thing that I have ever tried. I mean, if this was like, you know, a body shimmer spray, oh yeah, for sure. Not to mention it smells good, but for your face, and I'm not saying it was this. I mean, my skin had been doing pretty well. I started a new face routine, and after that, I broke out. And I'm not surprised because I sprayed glitter all over my face. I'll try to insert a photo. It was shocking. Shocking. Like, actually shocking. Okay, well, that is all. I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe, and I'll see you later.